Ghana nkomono doso and the last day of March 2026. Na enra na mehwe dwumade bia ekoso Public Accounts Committee. Oman no ne yete ne se beboa ama pepepe yobeye adwuma na ketasese program kankan ebe free ho anase ebetumi aboa ma na kofem kraa no enti ye won hwehwemu a enwumaku ahodo bi eye ewo memu na saa hwehwemu no Auditor General edi animu ye eme ye hwese sika oman no ye tuato manfo epre wo mogya ni nya sika ye gimuto se yemfo ma oman ne ho bra no de se ye de ye ne pepepe eti Auditor General be hwese projects ana bibia ye pese ye di sika ne ye no ye de aye ne pepepe ana se enfumso aba ho ana obi bo oman ne krono kra na o matumi ameye hunu. In fact ene OSP mu nyina be ka ho a corruption related issues ni nyina wo so eye mu nhwehwemu iyo konsu be ye nhwehwemu ye wo institutions bebre a omu ye nhwehwemu ehwe se de ye pese ye de oman ni sika ye no ye de be ye ne pepepe se be ya oman no enhwere ye sika. Na Public Accounts Committee enso ye bedweku e wo mra se bedwafie a wo mo etena se hwe se enipa bia ye bebo mu din e wo Auditor General's report mu se ana adwumaku e bebo mu din se omo ho bon sika o man no ahwere bia mu no committee no tena se na ya frɛ se nipa kro na ya toto na no ahwɛ se eye den na saade ni siye ni yehu se no kra etui asɛm ni mu ankasa. Na enra on the committee chairperson ewo committee no so eye honorable say Asare abena e candidate hu ati wa isma hye bedwani ohwe ranking member ewo so a honorable Poku Ansa Davis e ka on praye so honorable Atamels Samuel enso kan commander edina eguafo ebrim ena Era Agbena Edem ono so member of the committee. Na enra adwumadie no ekoso no mere hoye unim de ntia mere hoye areho e ba ye ne se yesika ye de masa committee allowance se o mo ntrance no mu ni se adwuma yi na me bisa me ho se eye Public Accounts Committee and answer Political Defense Committee is a question I ask myself. That is it really a Public Accounts Committee and ye was one be hwe se manfo be kire de omo de oman ni sika ye anase ye abadoku anase committee a defend politics. That was a big question I was asking myself. Brana me show mo e de na esi afem pinu ni aduonu nan oman no ye se ensuo ntono ma bebre enkoso ntie mu ne ade enuane ho nsem no ebeye problem enti na etwa se aban ede omanfo eto a yetua hu sika ahodo di hyem na ye pe emu esum oman sika opepe aduonum 50 million Ghana cedis se be ya ebeboa ma enuane ho nsem no ebegina kakra na ekowi ase no emu no dodo a ekoye no na aka ekire opepe edunkono 19 million worth of rice yentimi amfa anko ana yentimi enyamu ama manfo no nsanka. Na during the Public Accounts Committee, former Mofa Procurement Director eba asie me pese utie de e course because that time no na sa maami ono ena edi animu a wono mo yes sa procurement no na yentie no
trying to keep government resources. Is that the case?
Yes, Honorable. There's supplier initially the party people prevented him.
Bra Facebook be had there.
The supplier owned his agent, so they didn't give him access to continue the transportation. Yes, Honorable. There's supplier initially the party people prevented him, and subsequently the supplier owned his agent, so they didn't give him access to continue the transportation.
Party people party people prevent.
Since some people came and took over the warehouse.
When was this? When was this done?
That is after the election.
After the election.
Yeah, we have to get the military to even intervene, but still.
So then this claim about they not distributing and all of that is non-existent. They were no. So Adam, I think Adam wants to come in.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I think that some of the claims being made are very important issues that we must further interrogate. I have a follow-up question for Madam who just spoke about party people invading. I would want her to clarify what she means by party people and whether or not the supplier does not have any CCTV or anything to verify. She is saying that all the items that have not been supplied have been carried away by these so-called party people, as she is claiming.
Honorable, please, I don't think she has made that assertion. She only said that the suppliers or the distributors were prevented from accessing the warehouse. And of course, you see,
Mr. Chairman, respectfully, I heard her right. She said the party people took over the warehouse. And I think if you can kindly allow her to answer the question. We all heard her when she said party people after the election. And these are very serious claims that she should be able to validate her claims before this committee. People are watching us.
Let me answer for her, Honorable Adam. I think the party people she meant were just Ghanaians who just took over the warehouse, not necessarily political party people.
Abuzia ote near Akokoa na Nhyira Edem Agbena eye Ketunof emrahye bedwanin na oyese obisa die ntia maame no eka se party people party for ye kan twia party for party people na eno ma bi koso kakra eno na megina so aka ma asemi me pese ye koyanim kakra na wutie saa eho no iwia makasa.
Minister has stepped in.
But Mr. Chairman, respectfully.
Yeah. No, but what is it?
No, but if the ministers and
So,
no.
okay, so Honorable Adam, I think that the beginning of this conversation, we were talking about the parties involved. And so in her submission, she just said some party people took over the warehouse, not necessarily political party people taking over the warehouse.
and so like
Mr.
Enti se wutie na ukọ wanimu etie asem na wa na baabi a mepese meka ma asem efiri no ade ni nyina ne se maami a okasa yese some party people prevent omo amoma nya access to the warehouse a emu no wa ombetumi afa akọ distribute no enti enu nti 19 million worth of rice na yan distribute no maami no ono na eye former director Mufa na the woman say osaye in charge of that procurement I call so no emu no a ye kototo ye ne de ye be kọ ne ade nyina na what state say party people ye to abawie no party people wo de betwi mu a party fu bi ampene ebesi kwan emba wo ma nya access to emu no a ombe distribute nti na 19 million mu no ye hu se ekoye no ena Edem Agbena Ketunof mrahye bedwani no ebisa se party people ben ena prevent wo se muntumi entu saa na mo no. And I was very much disappointed in John Dumelo, Deputy Minister for Agric. Say, nipa na waka asem na yese wa sorry o. Nipa na waka na asem na nkasa te wo ma me na wona te wo no. Wo hwe video no a wona te wo no. A obetumi a kire mu say, party people na make kan ye we mu. But you John Dumelo, una ube jinemu akasa ama maame ne say party people no ekire say encrofuo bi na what try rationalize the maame ne kan meanwhile the source of the information is vital than una wo ba be sha na emu abekasa de amaye no. In any case, John Dumelo sa bre na sa de ne koso na wuni ho eye maame we and we di sa contract n'anim maame we and onko yes sa procurement no. You were not there, John Dumelo, so you can't speak for this woman. Now maame ne te when then you come in, what at all, what is your interest? John Dumelo, we interest in saying, you want to come in and defend this woman. And then you hear a whole chairperson of the committee, Mami Abransari, Ekache Edemagbena, or ask pertinent question, maybe sasa question. Ghana for Yenya Quenya won't be sasa question na Edemagbena, Ebisa yen say, party for a walk and woman here for the best stoppers adian. Ubien your baby sasa question. Sabi obi anadwene da ho bia bebisa for that clarity. And then you say Edem Agwena enye march party person enchen atamelsa or tiedwemu. You are not more party person than your chairman here. That was your statement. E dinache say Public Accounts Committee no sika nkrofo die ni bone a wo ma ye ne ebisa mu ana say ye bebo party fo ho ban wo. That's my question to the Public Accounts Committee. Why would a chairperson of the committee make such a statement? That statement was reckless. A chairperson of the committee a play fighting corruption committee a press secretary dream can be free hono. Now we be say party funti or mine went me and need you said yes ye and yes if party for party people bang. Mose maame nka na ntumo no oka asem no nyo no na echiri mu na mu bechiri mu de ama no mu amoye members of the committee no mu na mu bechiri mu e de ama maame no. And I was shocked because what you maame ni dia or say initially party people and the preventers say ombenya access to the warehouse enti edru an extent bi kura na say military ebem. Then you hear Honorable Atamels and Abransari Eka say the party people may involve may describe as the parties involved in the procurement and the distribution to say omo mukoto ade ne ba ye ne omo obeche no ebe ye omo na work party people no no wo pachre na nti omo mukoto ade ne ba ye say be driver no de mo ne ba ye no ne odiska kokoto ba ye and the wo hwe warehouse wo no. And yebia omododo ye say ebe require military to intervene because the woman said military ne be intervene mo ka se ye nkwada ho ananse sebe ye huru yanim kosoro ye ntensem ase. You were only trying to attack Edem Agwena for asking legitimate questions ebe ma ye answers to the AC here. And now some of you are shielding because munim say maame ni kiremu a ebi obeba amanyoku obi din. And more kata so more pressing issue no. What is this? Are we seeking accountability or we are trying to shield some people? Na ye seek taxpayers' money e dia mamo. Na munso ntwati na mumisan sempama yeso o mani sika nyira no. You are rather sitting there protecting certain interest. Protecting certain interest. I was shocked. Say a whole chairperson of a committee like this, a committee for probity and accountability, will be telling someone, say, you are no more party member than your chairman here. Hey, seriously? Now, moti was a party in Tia, now moti was a Ghana in Tia. Because when you go on such a committee, you are sitting there because of Ghana. Ye na yintimi nko and kiye sika no ye ne atua tax. Bosume su ne ye tax a home. Sometimes ya na ne ya no. Utumi se kan waketua ho a e ka de beye bibi. Bani atia firim yesi de obo man ho bra. Then you take this money, ye de bi atwati am mo ntra ho na misa pertinent questions no. You are just shielding something. Why? Ani ye ho sa aso ban. Is it a political defense committee or a public accounts committee? Hwe obi beka asem na wa misa asem no nkyira ase yi na wo bedwene se you assume, I assume that or part let's say, sabe. Now I'm my wife didn't want because we be sat from the source. I know yank the moon ye. Ebi crowd your wife didn't hear with some can then yes or patch. So you don't defend whilst the person is sitting there between your casaman. I didn't know person who protect one country, public accounts committee. Dear Yana, my interest was as if no one Casano, any dear Nam person, Mokataso. I didn't know more person Mokataso, one country, Ghana of Wunina. What we witness is embarrassing. Dear you in Rano. Oh, any say we are singing a share. Any woman Ghana Mrashibi de fee. Your public accounts committee, which thinks that ye yama keta separate drink and kaya jai. Then you be treated this pusher. Any embarrassing. My message to Honorable Aban Sumani Baben say, Aban Sumana Baben. Parliament ne wo hosano. Ya to abama parliamentarians mon kotra ho. Na mon kasama yewu because ye nyina yintimi mewura ho 34 million people no. Say 35 no yintimi nyina ye nyina ye nko parliament ho. And we need representation. So you people are not there for yourself. You are not there for yourselves. No representing ye. And we need you to do a good job. And you know what I say. So Aban Sumana Babe, Honorable Speaker of Parliament, call these public accounts committee members to order. Call them to order. That when they sit before the committee, and answer omunya committee ni seat so tna na omo and the baby sebisa nsemwa. We need critical questioning like what Adam Abena asked. Is a political party, or say party members, and party members. Now, say, party members, baby, because I know yet me were political party members. Your party member, and the party chidemu ye my ye. And also question we mama I answer. Any would ye na moyen and run if you don't know. And I hear from Kwan a bit me a kosi kwaya, a better require see the military bebamu and sana, a koya bemwama. Mammy said you okay, was in military and it intervene. A child sena, I know a dini per call on any patois. I don't know my name ye my. Well, my way, and until young Kosudo. That is why this country has remained as it is. Because Obia konya baby trakoye interest. Dear Obia benya free baby in the hiano. It's not about national development. It's not about national development. Because they are about national development. And King Huni say, any woo for Parliament of Ghana, INRA. And the Public Accounts Committee must be doing a good job. Not to be defensive for people who have been called before the committee. It's embarrassing. Nhyira
104.5. And now, who you want? And now, who you want?